ना बेल आइकन क्लिक करना, सब्सक्राइब शेयर और कमेंट ये भी करते रहना। तुझी से है ये सृष्टि, तू मान मेरा कहना।
Hey yo सृष्टि, what's up? So आज मैं जा रही हूँ for lunch to Kareem's and well it's not the actual Kareem's जो दिल्ली से originated है. It's another Kareem's and it's located in Nagpur, but even though if it's not the same Kareem, it still has a lot of fan following, a lot of non-vegetarian lovers go there and वहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा नॉन वेज मिलता है. मैं खुद वहाँ पे एक दो बार जा चुकी हूँ, but today I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. So I'm finally on my way to Kareem's and I'm going there with my family, my cousins, Aishwarya, Arjun, and also my Jiju, Vikram. So यहाँ से थोड़ा दूर है, घर से थोड़ा दूर है, so we'll be reaching there in I guess half an hour, 45 minutes. So for starters, we have ordered the non-veg platter, which will come with varieties of non-vegetarian starters. Then we have also ordered fish fry and masala papad. The fish fry is really nice. It's not at all fishy. So I personally do not like fish if it smells fishy or it tastes really fishy. So I'm kind of really liking it. It's very fresh, very soft. Going for the mutton seekh kebab. Oh wow! Telepathy. It's really nice. So the mutton seekh kebab is a little spicy and it's very flavorful. Really soft. So this is really nice. The chicken seekh kebab. Soft है chicken seekh kebab. And मुझे bite करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. It's that soft. It's obviously like minced chicken, so it's a little bit more spicier than the mutton seekh kebab. Chicken tikka. And the chicken tikka is like really flavorful as well. Like literally all the starters are like so flavorful. Let's try the chicken Afghani tikka. This one is a little chewy, a little hard. So definitely my favorite for today in the starters has to be the chicken seekh kebab. the mutton seekh kebab, and then third, chicken tikka, and lastly, the chicken afghani. The main course we have ordered ran masala, which is mutton masala, and butter garlic naan. We also might order the biryani. So, hungry, let's wait for the main course. So the ran masala is really nice. The mutton is very soft, very tender, perfectly cooked. Flavor wise, it's not that spicy. I would say it's a little tomatoey. So the taste is very subtle. Overall, it's very nice. And the butter garlic naan is really soft. It's really nice. ये तो usually मैदे की बनी हुई जो रोटी या नान रहती है वो थोड़ी chewy रहती है, but this is not chewy, and it's garlic and buttery. So together, it's just making it a really nice combo. And as we are eating the ran masala and naan, we have also ordered the chicken biryani. सो बिरयानी तो मैं हाथ से खाऊंगी, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बिरयानी अगर हाथ से ना खाओ तो उसका 100% स्वाद नहीं आता है. बिरयानी इज़ वेरी फ्लेवरफुल. चावल थोड़ा कम है और ग्रेवी और पीसेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, बट राइस इज़ कुक्ड रियली नाइसली. इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड इट्स वेरी फ्रेग्रेंट एंड फ्लेवरफुल. सो ओवरऑल सभी कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. So, and I am a big biryani fan. So, biryani is good, but I've had better biryani. For the dessert, we have ordered malai firni and shahi tukda. So now I'm going to try the firni. Very smooth. It's not overly sweet, and I like that about this because I'm not really fond of extremely sweet desserts. So this is exactly how I would like my desserts, when it's topped with pista and almonds and kaju, and then the shahi tukda. So shahi tukda basically is fried bread, which is kind of fried in ghee, clarified butter, and then it's topped with rabdi and garnished with some nuts. So okay, it's really nice. I think the last time I had firni and shahi tukda at Kareem's, I kind of liked firni more, but today I'm actually liking the shahi tukda more. So I'm back from Kareem's. Overall, the experience was really nice. The food was really good. The portions are pretty huge. I personally loved their starters better than the main course. If you guys are in Nagpur and you want to try some authentic non-vegetarian food, make sure you guys come and check out Kareem's and have their foods and their starters and have fun. So till then, I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. I love you, Srishti. See ya. है।